How to fix Google Classroom bug. It says sorry, something went wrong. Try again. Even the attachment uploaded didn't appear. You can't even write a private comment. The problem is that your Google Drive storage is full. To fix this, go to your Google Drive, then delete large files and unnecessary files that you already didn't need. In order to delete a file, go to the file you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete this video. Tap the three dots, swipe down. Find Remove option, then move to Trash. After that, tap the upper right corner, find Trash. Then find the file you removed. Click the three dots, then delete forever. You can also do this to the other files here in the trash to save storage. As you can see, I saved some storage. Let's try if Google Classroom is working properly. As you can see, it's already working properly. I can submit my work now. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below. If you still having a problem after doing this method, I will answer your question as long as I can. Thank you.